a Swedish hard taffy called Polkagris. It was invented in 1859 by a lady named Amalia Eriksson. She created this candy because her daughter got sick. She couldn't afford doctors or medicine, so she made candy with peppermint oil in it, and it helped her daughter to breathe. She kept the recipe a secret until she was 99 years old, and on her deathbed, she finally revealed it. And since then, there are 20 shops in Sweden who make Polkagris, and we are the only shop in the U.S. that makes it.
This is a candy making demonstration at a Swedish candy factory in Sylvan, California. The yellow stripes you see are sour apple jam. The red stripes came from natural food coloring. According to the website of Swedish Candy Factory, there are no artificial sweeteners, chemicals, or preservatives in the handmade candies at the store. One of the natural ingredients, perhaps surprisingly, is vinegar. Indeed, vinegar sets Swedish Polkagris apart from other candy cane varieties. Vinegar makes it softer and chewier. However, just like other candy cane varieties, Polkagris is particularly popular during the holiday season. Happy holidays!